In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google account. Before we begin, a quick heads up, deleting a Google account is permanent. You'll lose access to Gmail, Drive, Photos, Calendar, YouTube, and any purchases or subscriptions tied to that account. If you're sure, let's walk through it carefully, and I'll point out where to back up your data so you don't lose anything important. Start by opening your web browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the exact Google account you want to remove. If you use multiple accounts, double check in the top right corner so you don't delete the wrong one. Click your profile picture or initial in the top right, then choose Manage Your Google Account. This opens the main settings hub for that account. On the left-hand menu, click Data and Privacy. This section controls how your information is stored and managed. Scroll down the page until you reach the section labeled More Options. Here, look for Delete Your Google Account and click it. This is the path to permanently remove the entire account and all associated data. Google will now ask you to verify your identity. Enter your account password to confirm it's really you, then click Next. Verification protects your data from accidental or unauthorized deletion. On the deletion page, Google summarizes what will be affected, including emails, files, photos, and any channels or content linked to services like YouTube. Before you proceed, click Download Your Data. This opens Google Takeout, which lets you export your information. Select the products you want to keep, such as Gmail messages, Drive files, photos, contacts, and calendar. Choose an export format and delivery method, then create the export. Depending on how much you have, the archive might take some time to prepare. Wait for the download link and save your files somewhere secure. When that's complete, return to the deletion page. Next, check the acknowledgement that you're responsible for any pending charges and that under certain circumstances, earnings might not be paid out. This applies to things like ads, subscriptions, or monetized content. Then check the box confirming that you want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. When you're ready and you've backed up everything you need, click Delete Account to finish. That's it. Take a moment to be absolutely certain because this action can't be undone. If your goal is only to remove an account from a device, remember that you can remove it from the device's settings instead of deleting it entirely.